Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we will learn in this video how to extend virtual machine drive or SSD size, hard disk size. So this is my Hyper-V manager and I have deployed here one Windows 10 machine. That is, I am going to connect this. And this machine C drive is, you can see, 11.5 GB and 1.65 GB is free only. So if you want to extend this drive space, so I will show you. So I'm going to here on setting, and here you can see the hard disk drive ID controller 0. Here you can see edit option is grayed out, means it is not enabled and you cannot do anything from here, or you cannot edit. And here is a message: edit is not available because checkpoint exists for this virtual machine. That means if edit option is grayed out, and you can say if it is disabled, then you need to check if checkpoint is created for the virtual machine. Or sometimes if virtual machine is not shut down, means if it is running, then it is also edit option will be also grayed out, means it will be not enabled, or you can say it will be disabled. So let us see. Here you can see automatic checkpoint Windows 10 and date 13 March 2021. That means if checkpoint will be created, then you cannot edit the hard disk size without removing or without deleting checkpoints. Or another way, if you want, you can edit the disk size from here, edit disk option, but from here maybe there will be the chances of data loss. So I will recommend to first delete the checkpoint and then try to expand the hard disk size. And if hard disk size successfully extended, then you can create checkpoint. But before doing these all things, you should have the good backup of the virtual machine. So again I am saying, if you planning to extend, or if you are going to extend the virtual machine hard disk, then you should have backup. Like you can export the virtual machine, and if there will be any failure during size expand hard disk size, then you can just import or just use the backup and restore the virtual machine. So here I am going to delete the checkpoint, but if you are going to delete, you should have backup. Again and again I am saying. So here you can see there are two options: delete checkpoint subtree. Means suppose if there will be only one checkpoint, then there is only one option, delete checkpoint. Or if there are one or more checkpoints created, then it will show to delete checkpoint subtree. And if you are able to see this message, you can see here, that means checkpoint is created for this virtual machine. Or you can also see here, if you want you can also create here the checkpoint in this stage. Okay, so for now I am going to delete checkpoint, and as machine is running, so during checkpoint deletion, if you want you can shut down the machine, or after delete you can shut the machine, then you need to try to extend. So it's up to you. If you want you can shut down right now, means before deleting the checkpoint you should shut down, not turn off. Machine is shutting down here, you can see. It's still shutting down. Yes, so machine is shut down now. You can see the status. Now we'll delete checkpoint. Delete. Merge in progress 4%. Actually this it is merging files. I will show you. If you'll go in setting, you can verify the path F drive, hyper, Windows, virtual hard disk, and new virtual machine. So we'll go to the same path, F drive, Hyper-V, Windows 10, virtual disk. So you can see here, if checkpoint created, then there will be another hard disk will be created like .avsdx. So if we'll delete, then it will merge into this virtual machine. You can see here also the process. It is changing, size is changing because it is merging in this, and you can see now it's completely merged. And now .avsdx file removed from here. And if you'll check in Hyper-V manager, it's completed also, means merging completed. So now I hope it is also clear to you. If we'll delete checkpoints, then a.avsdx file will be merged into the vsdx let me show you again, means in virtual hard disk. That extension is vsdx. Now we'll try to extend the virtual hard disk size. Sorry, refresh. Okay, sorry, just refresh it. So machine is up now, and now we'll go to disk management.msc. We'll type here disk mgmt.msc, click OK, and the current space of C drive is 11.51 GB, means approx 12 GB. You can check from here also. Go to this PC, and C drive space is 11.5, only 1.49 GB is free space. Now you can see here in disk management 8 GB space which we have expanded from the Hyper-V manager setting. It is showing here. So what we'll do, suppose if we have to extend this virtual hard drive size, then we'll right click here and click on extend volume, or if we have to create new drive on this, then just we'll create new drive by creating new simple volume. So as we have to extend this drive size, so right click and click on extend, and we'll select the whole size that is showing here default 8 GB, click finish. So you can see it's now 19.51, that means approx 20 GB, and we'll see from here also. So you can see it's 19.5 GB, and now free size is 9.49, but before this it was only 1.49 GB. That means we have extended this drive size approx 8 GB. So guys, in this way you can extend your virtual machine hard drive size safely, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. And if you want, now you can create checkpoint, or you can see here also automatic checkpoint created already after expanding the hard disk size, or if you want you can create another checkpoint from here. So guys, I hope this is now clear to you, how you can extend the virtual machine hard drive size, or how you can create new volume by expanding the hard disk size in Hyper-V. So again, I request you to please subscribe my channel if you are new user, and if this video will be helpful, please like and share with your friends. Thanks, bye bye.